Hey guys, Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm. Here we are in the greenhouse burning the midnight oil. And of course, you know, a lot of you guys know that we do the produce for the 20 Hy-Vee supermarkets in the Kansas City area, but we also do smaller orders like the Kansas City Food Hub. We're so proud to be a part of the Kansas City Food Hub, and this is an order that's going out for them. We treat every small order just like a big order because every person is important. I want to take a look at some of the things that you probably haven't seen from us before. So one of the products that we have here that doesn't get a lot of attention is Italian parsley. This is a great time to buy Italian parsley from us right now because it just has a phenomenal taste. A lot of people are so used to the traditional grocery store parsley that they just usually buy that. And if you just usually buy that, you're going to be missing out. Here's why. Our Italian parsley has been in all year long, and it's been waiting for this moment, just like our collard greens. They've just been waiting for this moment, and I'm going to show you right here. This is one of our Italian parsley stems that we just harvested right here, and I don't know. Let me get in close so they can see this, and I'm going to squeeze that. See that juice in there? You see that? Yeah. And the taste, it's a lot sweeter, crispy, a wonderful taste. You haven't tried Italian parsley until you tried Ophelia's Italian parsley. Let's go into the arugula. Again, our arugula. It has kick to it. Woo! It's spicy, it's peppery. Loving this arugula. How would I use this? Well, I would take this, add it to some salad, really spice up the dish. Of course, we still have our oregano. And another product you may have never seen before right here, our edible flour mix. Look how beautiful that is. This is our edible flour mix. Each one's hand-packed. Each one's a little bit different, a little unique. Overall, right now, we hold 25 products that we can put out at any given time. And as far as Hy-Vee is concerned, you'll see 12, up to 12, but we do have some other ones. So go to opheliasbluevine.com if you want to reach out to us for some of these other products. But again, it's Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm wishing you a happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.